Hello friends. In a forum, someone from Missouri asked how he could fix a leaking valve without turning the water off. The image he uploaded showed the tap was leaking between the bonnet and the body of the valve. Apparently, his main valve was not working, so he couldn't turn the water off before the leaking valve. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this leak without turning off the water in the main valve, and that without taking a shower while you're at it. As a bonus, I will show you a trick of the trade at the end of this video, a trick no one has shown in YouTube yet. So watch this video till the end. To get this job done, the basic procedure is as follows. First of all, we close the valve tightly to make sure we are stopping the flow of water. Then we must loosen the bonnet of the valve, being very careful in not letting the seat washer untighten. To ensure this, we must keep a good hold of the handle while we turn the bonnet. If the handle loosens up a bit, we must tighten it so no water gets through while we separate the bonnet from the body of the valve. Once we've been able to separate the bonnet 1 or 2 millimeters from the body, we have enough space there to wrap a good amount of hemp or sealing tape around the thread of the bonnet as a temporary support for existing failed packing. Once we've finished wrapping up the hemp, we tighten the bonnet and we open the valve. The leak has disappeared. You must not unscrew the bonnet too much, or else it might fly out into your face and, of course, get a good shower of water. Now, not all valves or taps are like this one. In the video I uploaded about how valves work, I show different kinds of valves. For further details, watch that video. The stem of this valve does not screw onto the bonnet. It is set in place using a snap ring. So turning the bonnet anti-clockwise together with the stem opens the valve and will get water squirting out. The only option in this case to separate the bonnet from the body so we can put hemp in there is as follows. We have to repeat a quick sequence of opening the valve a little bit, turning the bonnet anti-clockwise a little bit, and closing. Then opening a bit, turning it and closing. Opening a bit, turning and closing. That way we'll be able to separate the bonnet from the body, and the amount of water that leaks through will be very little, because when we close it, we'll stop the water from coming in. And there we have enough space to push in a bit of hemp and get it well sealed. Then we do the same procedure the other way around. Turning it, we open it up, we turn 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 it, till we get the bonnet well tightened against the body and, of course, sealed and with no leak. This other valve, mentioned in the other video, comes in 2 versions. In one version, the stem screws onto the body of the valve, as you can see in this image. In this case, if you tighten the stem and then take off the handle, you can easily take off the bonnet and replace the rubber packing. Then you tighten the bonnet again and the leak should be gone. In the other version, the stem screws onto the bonnet, and the bonnet's thread is on the inside. So there's no way you can fix that leak without turning off the water at the main or taking a shower. The only problem with all these procedures is that if the valve's seat washer is not working well, water will get in through up the stem and out of the tap while you're trying to change the packing or add hemp. Well, that's it with all these different taps. And oh, true, I was going to teach you a trick of the trade. Here we go. Now you remember this tap? This is an old tap, but it still is quite common in many places. I'm sure you have it where you live also. Coming up now and then. The seat washer is held onto the stem with this system. You can see that there. Okay. Now, this system is very loose there. And if you're putting in this valve in a horizontal way, there's no problem. Even if you're putting it upside down, no problem. But if you're going to put it downwards, then you find that whoop, it falls inside the body, and then to pick it out, it's complicated, not easy. And if you don't notice it fell off, and you keep on tightening, you might break something. So to solve that problem, and you find it is too loose here and you have to do a vertical, this is the trick. We put a bit of PTFE tape around it, not too much, but just enough for it to go in snugly inside the valve. We put it on quite tight there, and then there it should go in snugly, well tight on. Whatever we do, it won't come off. That's my trick for today. I hope you liked it. Well, I hope you liked my video. I hope you like my little trick at the end. And to this man from Missouri, I hope you understood now exactly what I meant, how to fix this leak. And well, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, put your comments below and share it. And well, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.